Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Purnawati and I'm from class 9B. On this occasion, I would like to tell you about my experience as my English practical exam. And this is the story of my 3-year journey at MTS Al-Ahliyah. My 3 years at MTS Al-Ahliyah began with feeling of excitement and nervousness. When I first entered the school, I felt happy because I could continue my education in non-Islamic and disciplined environment. However, I was also nervous because I had to adapt to new friends and teachers. Before starting regular lessons, I joined Matsama. In this activity, I was introduced to the school environment, the teachers, the school rules, and various facilities such as classroom, the library, the malls, and the canteen. The atmosphere was very enjoyable because there were many games and activities that made me feel comfortable studying at MTS Al-Ahliyah. After that, I participated in MTP. I learned the basics of scouting, got to know the school leaders, and took part in marching drills and group games. MTP made me closer to my friends and made me interested in becoming more active in scouting. Matsama and MTP became very memorable moments at the beginning of my journey. When I first entered class 7E, I felt awkward because I did not have many friends yet. However, over time, I became better to introduce myself and eventually made many good friends. In class 7E, I also took part in the market day activity. This activity taught me about comparison responsibility and courage to interact with many people. In class 7E, I also joined the school extracurricular activity. Through this activity, I learned discipline, independence, and teamwork. At the time, my homeroom teacher was Mr. Thomas Ali Ramadan. He always guided and motivated me, which made me more confident. From grade 7, I learned how to adapt and began to enjoy the school environment. When I moved up to class 8B due to class rotation, I felt awkward again because I had to part with my old friends. However, my homeroom teacher, Mr. Ahmad Yunus, was very kind and caring, which made me feel more comfortable. In the 8th grade, I also took part in a study tour. This activity gave me new experience, broadened my knowledge, and strengthened my bond with my friends. I also felt proud because I managed to enter the top 10 ranking. This motivated me to study harder. In the middle of my learning journey in the 8th grade, I started to join the choir extracurricular activity. Experienced many fun moments, such as studying in group with new friends until I finally adapted well. Time passed so quickly until I finally reached class 9B. It felt like my learning journey went by very fast. In this final year, my homeroom teacher was Mrs. Len Misat, who always guided and directed us with great patience. In this last class, I gained many valuable experiences that made my learning journey more meaningful. I also participated in the Santri Day celebration and performed as a member of the choir, which became a memorable experience and increased my self-confidence. In addition, I was trusted to be a committee member of the last MTP at MTS Al-Ahliyah. In the same year, I began the process of becoming a Garuda Scout. The process was not always easy, but I went through it sincerely. I prepared various documents such as activity reports, photo, and signature from the scout leader and the principal. I also had to complete uniform badges, a requirement, and proof of my activeness in scouting. I organized all the documents list so they could be submitted and assessed. With effort, prayers, and support from the scout leaders, I was finally declared successful. In September, I was officially inaugurated as a Garuda Scout. After that, my scouting experience continued to grow. One of the most memorable moments was when I was trusted to be a bonfire officer during a camping event. That night, the atmosphere was very lively. The bonfire burned high and lit up the entire field. My friends and I worked together to prepare the event, from lighting the fire to organizing the participants. The cold night air felt warm with cheers from everyone. At that moment, I felt proud because I could take part in a big event that everyone had been waiting for, and it became an unforgettable memory. During my 3 years at MTS Al Aliyah, I gained many beautiful memories. I learned the meaning of togetherness, discipline, and responsibility. My hope for my parents is that they are always given good health, long life, and peace of heart. I hope I can repay all their sacrifices and hard work through achievements and good behavior. I want to make them proud of every step I take. My hope for my teacher is that they are always given help and blessings in teaching. For my friends, I hope we all succeed in achieving our dreams. May our friendship remain strong even though we continue our studies at different schools. May we become better people, humble, and always bring a good name to our school. For MTS Al Aliyah, I hope this school continues to grow and guide students to become better individuals. For myself, I hope I can become more independent, confident, and always enthusiastic about learning. I want to keep all the good values I have learned at MTS Al Aliyah. I also hope I can achieve my dream of continuing my studies at SMA Negeri 1 Cikampek. Hopefully, I will be given is the process smoothness in the exam, in the best result so I can be accepted into the school of my dreams. Thank you very much to everyone who has listened to my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Racing through my brain, and I just can't